What's up guys, this is RJ from RJ Tech HD, and you're watching my long awaited review of the Sony MDR XB950B1 Bluetooth headphones. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get into this review. Alright, so I'm going to break up this review into 3 parts to talk about the design, price, and sound quality of these headphones. So Sony's line of headphones usually have the same circular design, which I'm a fan of, except for the Sony MDR 1000X. It has a different design, but I'll discuss that in a different review. So these are definitely unique and definitely different from the Beats by Dre headphones by colors and shape. So on the side of the headphones, we have the mic, which is fairly decent for phone calls, micro USB, which advertises up to 18 hours of charging of battery life, the input port, which to me is very dumb because it needs a special type of audio cable that works only for these headphones. So if you lose it, you have to buy from somewhere else or on Amazon or through their site. So next we have the volume up, down, play, pause, and skip button, and my favorite, the bass effect button. Now this allows your headphones to have extra bass and it works extremely well. I use this button all the time for music. Now you can find this on Amazon for $69, and the balanced sound with 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency response when streaming via Bluetooth wirelessly, and 3 to 28,000 Hz with the audio cable. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, be free to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Follow me on social media, which will be linked in the description below, along with where you can find these headphones. Alright guys, see you in the next video.